Just a few hours from now, lawmakers in Illinois will hold their first hearing on a proposal to ban assault weapons.
Judy is live at the Blandick building on North LaSalle. Judy?
Good morning. This is House Bill 5855, the Protect Illinois Communities Act, introduced by a North Suburban state representative. The House Judiciary Committee, will hear from survivors of gun violence, including Highland Park survivors. Representative Bob Morgan of Highwood was in Highland Park at the parade when the July 4th shooting happened. This will be the first hearing on his proposed bill. The Protect Illinois Communities Act would ban assault weapons, high-capacity magazines, and rapid-fire devices. It would also raise the age to obtain a FOID card from 18 to 21 unless the person applying for the card is a member of the military. People who already own these weapons would have to register them and pay a $25 fee. Prosecutors say the suspected Highland Park gunman legally purchased 2 assault-style rifles. 7 people were killed during the parade. People who attended last night's 10th annual vigil for victims of gun violence at a Hyde Park church urged lawmakers to pass the ban. The group Chicago Survivors started holding the vigil after the Sandy Hook tragedy.
We, of course, want to offer our prayers to those who have suffered and those who have paid a price. Prayer is important, but in this case, prayer is not enough. We need to change the laws of America, and we need to do it now.
Past efforts to pass an assault weapons ban have failed in Springfield, but Democrats do have a supermajority in both chambers, and Governor Pritzker has expressed support for the proposed measure. Outside the State of Illinois building, Judy Wang, WGN News.